Hello everyone. This video is all about customer and vendor Unicode generation. This Odoo app help user to have a unique reference code for each and every customer and vendor and use this code to identify each customer and vendor uniquely. This is for Odoo 17 enterprise version and now I will show how this application will be working. First we need to go to the settings, and if you come here you will be able to see there is a generate code. Automatically when this particular app has been installed, this particular section will be shown, and here you can see there is a generate code for customer and vendor prefix. So whatever the customer prefix and vendor prefix you need for putting up here for your organization, you can just put up. So I have put customer and vendor as a prefix. So after updating these two fields, you can click on generate code. For the first time, if there is old record and you want to generate this code, you need to click on this button. But after generating the code, if you click on new customer or vendor for creation, it will automatically take the next series of the vendor and the customer sequence. And after putting up this generate code for customer prefix and vendor prefix, we need to save this particular configuration and click on generate code. And after clicking on that particular generate code, I will go back to this particular screen, that is contact screen. And here you can see there will be the customer code and vendor code based on the prefix. This will be coming up. So if you want to differentiate using a list view, you can come to the list view and you can see there will be a customer 1 and the customer 2, and customer 3, 4 and vendor 2, vendor 3 will be adding up. So if you want to add any new vendor for this particular contact, I will go to the purchase. I will click on order and vendor, and now I'll be creating this particular vendor called Lomber. And here, after I give the name of this particular vendor, I will save this configuration. So automatically this vendor code will be generated here in the form view. And if you want to view this in the list view, if you come here, you will be able to see this in the list view also. The code can be seen here. Similarly, if you want to look for the customer, you need to go to the sales and you want to click the orders and customers. Here I will be clicking on this and I'll create a new customer called Michael. And after creating this customer, I'll save this configuration. So here you can see the customer code will be auto generated based on the sequence prefix which we will be giving. So this is 5. And once this is completed, if you go to the list view, you will be able to see this particular Kanban view. If you go to the Kanban view, you will be able to see this Michael with the customer code. And now I will again go back to the customer, and in the list view you will be able to see the customer code and the vendor code. And if you want to search any particular code which is required, if you click on this particular customer code and search using this, that will be also generating here. So if you click on customer code, here you can see there is a search option for the customer code. If you click on that, this customer will be filtered up and only this customer code will be shown here. Similarly, if you want to do it for a vendor, now I'll select this particular code and I will come and search. So here you can see search vendor code for this particular number. So if I click on this filter, then automatically this will be searching for that particular vendor code for this particular name. So this can be also seen here, and if you go to the Kanban view also, you will be able to see the code, and in the list view also you will be able to see all the codes which are generated, and you can filter it out based on the customer code and the vendor code. So this is regarding the auto generation of the customer and the vendor unique code. If you have any query, then please note down and comment in the below query section. Don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. Thank you.